Thanks so much, mga lodi kong mapagmahal. Alright, that was your request. Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. Idol, pa-shoutout! Lodi Loves, birthday ko sa August 13, Saturday. Ano pong pangalan ninyo, Lodi Loves? Nagbigay po siya ng $400,000. Hindi po kasi na ano dito yung pangalan ninyo. Parang... Send nyo po sa akin, kahit piso lang po yung isend ninyo. Na yung nagpa-shoutout. Ayan, shoutout Lodi Loves, birthday ko sa August 13, Saturday. Ano pong pangalan? Tapos, meron nagbigay ng $500,000. So, ayan. Bebe Loves Marco, pa-request ng Someone Who Believes in Me. By, ano to, Soup? S-U-P? Ano yun? Ala, idol, di ko alam yung Air Supply? Pwedeng iba na lang na Air Supply. Palitan ko na lang, Goodbye. Bisado mo yung Goodbye? Ay, hindi. Mahirap pala yung gitna nun eh. Ano na lang. Here I Am na lang. Yung nag-request ng Someone Who Believes in Me. Pasensya na, hindi ko alam. Palitan ko na lang ng ibang Air Supply. Okay lang, mga idol. Thank you so much. Si Mami Annalisa yun. Mami Annalisa yun. Si Mami Annalisa yung may birthday. No problem, Mami Annalisa. Bibigyan kita ng video greetings. Siyempre. Pa-shoutout adding from Agoo, La Union. Ayan. Feeling ko si Mami Leon ito eh. Ay, kababa si Mami Leon eh. Wala eh. Si Gcash madamot, nilalagyan niya ng asterisk yung mga names. Oo, lagay niyo rin yung mga names niyo, mga idol, dun sa mismong shoutout or dun sa mismong request niyo para mabanggit ko yung mga names niyo. Ano na lang? Here I Am na lang. Here I am, I want you to know. Game. Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew. Through each and every part of me has tried. Only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories go crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. On my own, I try to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you can stop the rain. just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories can crash you through, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you. Without you. Without you. Without you. Oh baby, those memories can crash you through, and I just can't go on without you. Thank you so much, guys. This love. Hi, Ate Tanya. Thank you so much po dun sa binigay ninyong $100,000 million pesos. Thank you so much. Ay, may request si Ate Tanya. This love daw. This love. Thank you. Halaga para sa bebe. Para sa bebe ng RMB. Ayan, Ralph Mariano. Requested by Queen Bebheart. Ayan, thank you so much. Halaga ng, parokya ni Edgar. Ayan, unahin muna natin. Ayun, si Ate Tanya. Thank you so much, Ate. Mababa ako, makakakain na po kami. Ate Tanya, thank you so much sa binigay niyo. Makakakain na po kami. Mamapayat na po kami. Yung makikita niyo yung collarbones ko. Oh. Na ano? Ako pumapayat din naman ako. Gusto niyo makita yung abs ko? Ab. This love daw, this love. Saglit lang. Saglit lang, Ate Tanya. Medyo tagal na to eh. Pasukan nyo ha. 1, 2. I was so high, I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that control my mind. Whispered goodbye as she got on the plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. Oh, this love has taken so on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, I tried my best to feed her appetite, keep her calling every night. So hard to keep her satisfy you. Keep playing love like it was just a game, pretending to feel the same. Turn around and leave again. Oh, oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me, and I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, 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 oh. I fix these broken things, repair our broken wings, and make sure everything's alright. Pressure on your hand, sick in my fingertips, every inch of you, 'cause I love what you want me to know. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me. She said goodbye too many times before. And I won't say goodbye anymore. Pang $100,000 na performance yun, ha? Thank you so much, Ate Tanya. Halaga. May request tayong halaga. Linkin Park song, Idol from Puso Rubio. Thank you so much, guys. Oo, sige. Pa-request po ng Narda, I'm RJ Kagalawan from Iloilo. Isang malaking shoutout sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood, mga idol. Alright. Halaga, Narda, tapos Linkin Park. Alright, yun yung ano natin, ha. Kung alam mo yung Get Here from Theirs, Lee Again. Di ko kabisado yung Get Here. Come on and get here, cause baby I'm yours. Come on and get here. Yun ba yun? Sige nga, intro mo nga. You can read me by Kevin. You can reach me by caraway. I don't care how you get here. Get here, come on and get here. Pasensya na mga idol, di ko masyadong kabisado yun eh. Come on and get here, cause baby I'm yours. Come on and get here, come on and lonely. So get here, come on and get here. Ayun, syempre isang malaking shoutout po sa Samsung Philippines, sa Pony Philippines. Pony Philippines, baka naman bigyan nyo rin tong mga kasama ko para hindi kung ano-anong sinusuot nila, mga idol. Tapos Samsung Philippines, Sir Joseph, baka naman Wala ba tayong gig dyan, Sir Joseph? Si Mami Leonie, tsaka si Ate Teresa, hello. Hello sa inyo. Oo, maraming salamat po. Sa mga family Linta. Pamilya Linta, salamat mga idol. Family Linta. Naputol yung string ko mga idol.